up, guys? This is Red X, and I'm going to be doing the Abby. Let's see here. We need to get out of here. The construction site is falling, and everyone is getting injured. Die. Dang it. Dang it, I just died. I'm such a weirdo. Da-ba-dee-doo. Da-da-da-ba-dee-doo. Ah, dang it. Ah, dang it, dang it, dang it. Hey, I made it! Now where do I go? Oh! I'm guessing I go this way, or yep, just that way. Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. 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 What the? Wow, look at the size of these hammers. I would avoid falling into the tar. Well, duh. Nobody likes falling into tar. Especially tar. Help me, oh, I'm sorry, but you're fucking tar. I'm not. Wow. What the? So what, I'm guessing you can't touch these? I'm probably guessed right. Ha. Ha ha. Yes, and I did guess right. And look where that got me. Yeah! What the? No, that time I didn't even touch it. Well, it just made me fall. Oh, see? See? Did you see my legs? I didn't even touch it. Oi. What the freak? I hate my laggy tablet. Laggy tablet. I hate my laggy tablet. My laggy tablet sucks. Why am I singing on set again? I hate singing on set. Why am I doing it? Whatever. What? What? I was so close. Ah, frick. I got this. I did my thing. Yes, that was me. That's what I sound like when I get mad at a video game. Whatever. Mad at a video game. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. How did he get it on his first try? What the? Well, I'm guessing the end of the site's right about there. Is that just another tar pit? Yep, that's just tar. Escape the construction site, Abby. Oh, this looks a lot like a construction site to me. But since when do cones kill you? Yay, I made it. What the? No, they're just floating in midair. This game is not realistic at all. I know you could probably touch the walls, but I'm not gonna risk it. Wee. What? Wee. Yep. Yep, bruh. Yep, here's bruh. Okay, help. 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 Oh, this is obvious. Oh, no, this is obvious. You get it? Obvious. You get it? Oh, wait. I made it. Whoa, almost did it again. Whew. Close. Almost fell again. Close. Another close. Oof. Wee. Now this is totally obvious. What? No! I was so close and close and close and close and close. I am on stage 5 with 5 minutes in. So it's taking me at least a minute for each stage. 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 And they just threw a freaking ad in my face, which made me fall. Help. 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 I mean, seriously. Who says, before they say help? I mean, it's like, just yell, help! Just basically just yell help. Instead of, help. Help. Stop doing that. Help. Help. I mean, who says, help? No! Oh, okay, that was... Whew. That was close. Hallelujah. I almost fell again. Whee! Yeah, I made it. Just gotta travel this one slowly. Slow as a turtle. Subscribe to Black Gaming. Now which way do I go? Wow, very obvious, bro. Which way do I go? Like, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, frick. I actually have to jump on those Oh, I guess I have to point... Well, he's pointing that way, so I guess I have to go that way. Wee. Wee. No, I didn't want to fall on that stupid carpet, you idiot. Yeah! Yes, I was punching my tablet. Tablet, laptop, they're all the same. I'm on a tablet. Other people prefer laptops when I prefer a tablet. I really don't get it, but it happens. No! Oh, I'm going to get a laptop next. This tablet is so frigging laggy. Laggy alert, laggy alert. Laggy alert, laggy alert. I don't know. I just love doing that. Dang it. 7 minutes and I'm only on stage 6. I gotta get off this stage. I'm thinking about using a Game Pass. Why does it keep taking me fall out of nowhere? Like, I get on top of it. Beep, I'm falling. Beep, I'm falling. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, now it's not letting me jump anymore. Gosh. Oh, it lets her up? It lets her up? Okay, so what I thought. Yay, I made it! Finally, I am free of all the things that define me! Okay, now we jump on cinder blocks. Could this game get any worse? If we were actually humans, we wouldn't even be able to fit on these cinder blocks. And we'd be consumed by the cement. What the frick? There's a man inside of that. Pretty good luck for that man. Huh. He was a horrible man. He deserved it. He deserved it. He was a very horrible man. He deserved it. You don't get that, do you? I'm saying like he's a very good man. It's opposite day. Come on, man. So if I say everybody's getting killed, it means everybody's staying alive. You get it? Wee.
Doesn't sound like much of a video. Where are you moving anyway?
Jumpy. Punchy. Oh, Punchy the kangaroo. Shrimp on my bobby. Yes, that was me touching my tablet. I almost went into inventory thingies. What the? It's not letting me jump! My dog is very uncomfortable. I meant like to sit on. So I'm sitting on the dog. Okay, let's see here. Wee da papa go, ga baby gee, ga baby go, ga baby gee. Da bangy it, I said dang it, I said dang it, a million times. Ding, 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 dang it. Yes, that is me moving my screen violently. Killmonger! The freak? Ugh, whatever. That's a horrible badge, but okay. Like a name tag badgey thingy. It's horrible. Wait, you dare me to play this obby in first person? Huh. Nope. Got it. No, I jumped that. No. Okay, so I'm on stage 8. I'm probably just gonna try to make it to like stage 10. And then I'm gonna, why does this take so long to respawn? So I'm probably just gonna make it to stage 10 and then do one of my outros. What the freak? So I landed here and it killed me and brought me back there. Wow. Don't even dare. Oh, that was a free kick. Wait. Oh, I made it. Oh yeah, you made it. Oh, I almost touched it. Sent you a friend request. Whatever, accept. So 12, wait, 13 or 12. Yes, that was me punching my tablet. Ha. Whatever. You stupid thing couldn't make it as far as me even if you tried. In which I'm not trying. Oh, you want to laugh at me? I'm the best person at this obby you will ever see. Yes, I've tried it out like 30 times. What? How did she get past it? Where? Yay, I made it. Okay, so watch out for those giant saws. Well, duh. You obviously can't touch the saws. Next time, specify instead of just saying, watch out for those giant saws, they'll kill you. Like, specify saying, they'll kill you. Boo. Okay, this is my last attempt at this level. So I shout out to Skeptor Zoc, Beyblade Geeks, Beyblade Geeks, other stuff. Peace out.